This is India's first solar-powered futuristic labs on wheel, and it's taking cutting-edge technology to kids who've never even seen a computer.
Behind the wheel, 23-year-old Madhulash Babu, son of a truck driver from a small Andhra village. He knew what it felt like to be left out, to sit in a classroom while the future happens somewhere else. While studying engineering, he saw the gap firsthand. His own college lacked labs for AI, robotics, or IoT. How do you compete in a tech-driven world if you've never held the tech? So he asked a simple, revolutionary question. If the students can't go to the lab, why can't the lab go to the students?
And then he built an answer, a solar-powered bus with a mobile planetarium, 3D printers, drones, VR headsets, and DIY kits from everything AI to cybersecurity. Today, it's rolling out in the hearts of villages and government schools, places where kids have never even touched a computer. But Madhulash is more than a great story. He is a data point, a powerful signal in a much larger, more crucial trend for India. This isn't just one young innovator. This is a blueprint of our nation's next chapter. To get why these young innovators are so effective, you need to understand the last mile problem. Big solutions like a new education policy or a massive solar farm are great, but they often fail at the last mile, the final connection to the person who actually needs it. These young Indians are the last mile specialists. They live there, they are building solutions for the reality they see around them. Let's break it down and meet some of these ingenious innovators solving real problems with stunning simplicity.
Challenge 1. Light is still a luxury.
Power cuts still plague over 20,000 villages, limiting education and entrepreneurship. What happens if there's no light at night for hours? Your kids' education stops. Your small businesses shut down. It's 2025, and this is still a reality for millions. Uday Bhatia invented a 250 rupees inverter bulb that provides 8 to 10 hours of light during power cuts. And he's provided them to over 10,000 underprivileged homes across India. His genius was in understanding that people don't need their whole house powered during a cut. They just need to see. It's a targeted, frugal, and a brilliant fix that's transforming so many lives across India.
Challenge 2. Healthcare that impacts your mobility.
For 77 million diabetics in India, your life revolves around a fridge to store insulin. No spontaneity, no long road trips. The disease manages you. Komal Panda created NovoCarry, a portable insulin cooler that empowers diabetics with mobility. With 77 million diabetics in India, her innovation isn't a gadget. It's freedom to take their wealth with them wherever they go.
Challenge 3. Value addition is expensive and outsourced.
Farmers often sell raw produce because the machinery to add value, like milling wheat into flour, is too expensive to buy and run. This means they miss out on the bigger profits that come from selling a finished product. Ayan Chopra designed solar atta chakkis that save 25,000 rupees per month per user and prevent 5,000 kgs of CO2 annually per unit. He's not just making green tech affordable and accessible, it's democratizing value addition. Now, a farmer can harvest in the sun, mill their own grain right in their village and sell the flour, instantly making more money from the same harvest.
Challenge 4. We teach theory, but the economy needs problem solvers.
Our system is designed to create good exam takers, not problem solvers. You can memorize the physics of flight, but have you ever built a paper airplane? That hands-on curiosity isn't just encouraged, it's essential for innovation, and our education system often kills it. Aryan Mishra didn't try to reform the entire curriculum. He went straight from the heart of the issue, inspiration. He has installed low-cost astronomy labs in 200-plus government schools that aren't about memorizing planet names. They are about the magic of seeing Saturn's rings with your own eyes.
The wow moment is what creates a lifelong learner and a natural problem solver.
In fact, wherever Aryan's lab went, attendance rose by 30%.
He's making science a tangible and thrilling experience.
All of these young innovators have proven that the solutions exist, the genius exists, the determination exists, and most importantly, the age is not a barrier for creating change.
Why does this matter? Because India has world's largest youth population. Over 65% of our people are under 35. That is 800 million minds. That's not just a number, it's our single biggest opportunity as a nation. And that is why at the Better India Showcase 2025, we celebrated these young innovators and the powerful revolutions that they are leading, with a singular hope that their blueprints will inspire many more to start. And your action does not have to be building a new bus or inventing a new device. Maybe it's mentoring a bright student in your community. Maybe it's supporting a local innovator with your skill or a small donation. Or maybe it's simply by sharing this video with someone who needs to see solutions in action. Because when you do it, you are adding your brick to the foundation of a stronger, more self-reliant India. The repair begins with one individual who takes a step towards change. And then this repair becomes a wave, a movement towards the better India. So, what's your brick going to be? What's one small change you have made or see in your community? We are genuinely curious. Tell us in the comments below and let's inspire each other. If you believe in solutions, then please hit that like button below. Share the story of hope and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching and thank you for choosing to be a part of the change. Thank you for being a part of a better India.